Welcome to the Office of the Clerk of the Circuit Court. This video will walk you through the process of applying for a new passport as an adult. You apply for a new passport if you are 16 years of age or older and have never been issued a passport as an adult, your adult passport has expired 5 years or more, or is lost, damaged, or stolen. Please visit our website at www.lakecountycircuitclerk.org for checklists and applications as well as other forms and information. Simply click on the Passport box located on the homepage of our website to be presented links to forms and additional passport information. As an adult applying for a new passport, you will need to complete Form DS-11. Through our website, you can be directed to a fillable application that may be completed online and printed. To complete the form online, fill in all required fields as indicated by an asterisk, along with any additional information. Once completed, simply click on Create Form to generate the DS-11 application. Print the application to present to the passport agent in our office. If you prefer, you may handwrite your application by simply printing the blank form and completing all required fields. The complete packet includes 4 pages of information and instructions and 2 pages to be completed. Please be certain to read the Privacy Act statement on the application before continuing on. Be sure to indicate your choice of passport book, passport card, or both at the top of the form. A passport book is valid for travel by land, sea, and air. A passport card is valid only for land travel between the United States and Canada or Mexico, and for travel to the Caribbean or Bermuda. When completing the parental information, please be certain to provide mother's maiden name, in other words, her last name at birth. Applications should be completed neatly in black ink only and should contain no crossouts or corrections. You must provide evidence of U.S. citizenship. This can include the original plus a copy front and back of a certified copy of a birth certificate, naturalization certificate, certificate of citizenship, consular report of birth abroad, or certification of birth. If providing a birth certificate, it must be a certified copy from the state, county, or city in which the birth is recorded. The hospital certificate is not sufficient for the purposes of obtaining a passport. If you have your expired or damaged passport, you will need to submit that along with your application. You will need to present and provide a copy front and back of a government-issued ID. Examples include a valid driver's license or state ID, military ID, or previously issued undamaged passport. A school-issued ID is acceptable for those ages 16 to 17 without a valid government-issued ID. You must submit a current passport photo with your application. As there are specific standards these photos must meet, it can be difficult to do on your own. You may bring in your own photos from other providers if you wish. However, for your convenience, we provide the service in our office for a $15 fee. Each application must be sent with its own passport processing fee when sent to the passport agency. This fee must be in the form of a money order or personal check in the appropriate amount payable to the U.S. Department of State. In addition to the fee to the passport agency, there is a $35 execution fee in addition to any photo fees payable to the clerk of the circuit court. These fees can be paid by cash or credit card. If paying by credit card, there will be a small processing fee. If you need your passport sooner than expedited service will allow, you will need to work directly with the passport agency. Information is available on their website. We want your passport application experience to be a pleasant and effortless one. By assembling all of the documentation you will need as provided on the checklists ahead of time, it is certain to be so. Please plan on spending at least 30 minutes with one of our agents. You may review our website for detailed information, but do not hesitate to contact us should you have any questions. We look forward to seeing you.